Hi everyone, Frank here from the Art of 3D Experience. I hope you're having a good week. And today I have a quick modeling tip for you that would hopefully help you model faster. So here I've got a model of a space. It's an event space. So it has this really funky shape that kind of wraps over this area here. And if you're in the 3D event sector, you'd be familiar with these type of elements. So let's just say that I wanted to add a cube on top of this surface here, which has got a really irregular angle. What I would normally do is I would just create the cube and I would just move it up and try to rotate it so that it matches the angle of my element right here. And as you can see, it's not very accurate. And I will try to kind of match it and maybe scale it up and down. And it's never going to be perfect. So what is the solution? So what you can do is go down to this tool right here, which is my workplane tool. So when you click and hold this tool, you have various options to align objects to, X, Y, or Z. So let's just say if I align to my X axis and let's say add a figure, my figure will be aligned to the X axis, right? So if I change that to, let's say, the Y axis and I add another figure, my figure will then align to the y-axis, right? And same thing for the z-axis. If I add a figure, it will align to the z-axis, right? So what about if I wanted to align to a specific angle? What I can do is I would go to my object and I would go down to align workplane to selection. So this is going to allow me to align my workplane to a particular selection. So if I click on my element, go down to my polygon selection, and if I select a polygon, you will see my workplane will snap. Let's go back to align to selection, and there you go. You see, it just snaps to my angle on this plane. And so now if I go to add a cube, it will add my cube onto that angle. So all I need to do now is move it up and down, and as you can see, it perfectly aligns my cube onto my plane. So let's try another surface. Let's go back to align to Y, and let's just delete this cube, and I would go, let's try to align it to this surface here. So I'd go to my polygon selection, select my surface, then go down to my alignment tool and then go to align to selection, right? And then I'll just add my cube. There you go. And as you can see, it perfectly aligns to my surface. So this has helped me save quite a lot of time over the years, and I hope it's going to be useful to you too. So yes, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.